Hello, Chef. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily lock and unlock the child lock on this Whirlpool Schott Ceran built-in hot plate hob. This is how I saved my grandmother's dinner. She had accidentally locked the surface and could no longer turn on the stove to cook herself a meal. As you can see, I can't use the hob because the child lock is on. To remove the key lock, simply press and hold the touch button near the key symbol until the red dot disappears. Now the child lock is deactivated and the hob can be used again. To turn the child lock back on, first turn the hob off. Then press and hold the same button near the key symbol until the red dot appears. This means all zones are locked and the child lock is now enabled. I hope I helped you with your meal. I'd be glad if you hit the like and subscribe buttons so we can meet again in other useful videos. But for now, good luck, my friend.